Hello folks, this is Tom Campbell giving another update on getting the experiments done. We have a group now on the West Coast that is going to do the experiments. I do not yet have a contract that's finalized with them yet, but they are very pro getting the experiments done. They are excited to do the work. They're interested in consciousness, so everything is looks very good for this. And if it works as we expect, we should have some answers out this summer. So that's the good news. Now the first one that we told you about, which is more in the Northeast, that got bogged down a little bit. The professors there at the university doing that had some other work. The professor in charge was starting his own company, and a few other things got in the way of him working on this project. So that's kind of was put off for a while. But meanwhile, we have this other group, and if they get the experiments done, then we just won't need the first group unless we want to use those to verify the experiments. Hopefully, if we have the results I'm hoping for, they'll be interesting enough that just having them done will entice many people to go verify, although that'll probably take another year to get that done. So we are moving. It looks good. At this point, I'm very hopeful that by the end of the summer, we will have several of the experiments done. So hang on. I will get back to you once we have more information, actually start doing the experiments or have some results of the experiments. And again, whether those experiments work out the way I hope or don't, it won't matter. I will come and talk to you and tell you just exactly what happened in either case. Well, that's all I have for now. Hopefully you are getting your rewards. Some of the rewards have shipped and others are being processed to shipped. If you haven't answered the inquiry that you got from Bev Hunter, who's running our awards program, if you haven't heard from Bev, then you need to write to Don and Keith at mbtevents.com and see if you can't make a connection. She is gathering addresses. She cannot send awards out to people who she does not know what their physical address is. So we have emails for most, although some of you have changed your emails. So if you're one of those who've changed your email and one of those who hasn't answered her survey, then please get in touch with Bev and get back on our radar for your reward. Thank you.